Are going to be taking a look at DOLV currently right now at 0577. Looked at this stock last on the 10th, which is going to put us right here in this big green candle. And if I can get the exact price where it was when we looked at this one live, it's going to be right around this general area, right there around that purple line. Gap at 0325 and 0368. There's a gap down there, resistance at 0450 and 0480. You guys rallied up off of that one. And like I said, if the volume slowed, it could be filling that gap. You guys gapped up right here and then ended up closing yesterday at 0629. And then today opened at 0620. That's showing the weakness. I mean, I'm just telling you guys how I see it. You guys know how I am with these stock charts. I follow these gaps very closely. But unfortunately, it had that resistance level up here. And then it turned into a support at the 0623, right there in that general area again. But unfortunately, it started pulling back down, got close to hitting that support level that we see at 0477. Today's low so far is going to be 0490. You guys came back down, close to touching it. But like I said, there is a gap down here. And if this volume doesn't pick up and you guys continue to tap 0477, there is a good possibility, in my opinion, that it will come down to fill this this gap that we're looking at and bounce off the 10-day simple moving average. It might be one of those ones where it has that rally up and it's going to be a nice slow pull back down to that 10-day and then bounce off of that. You guys, we've been doing these videos for upwards of 7 years. We follow these stocks very closely on how they move. That's why I'm able to form the opinions that I am. So right now, 0577 volume has slowed. Could be filling the gap at 0325 and 0368. And a simple moving average currently at 0301. So again, you guys know how this is. These simple moving averages move up with that. So keep that in mind. 0301 right now. Tomorrow could be 0303 and so on. Continue to move up, which it's more than likely going to be. Resistance right now. We're going to put the resistance line right now at 0623. 23 area. Seems to be very close to that right there. Let me see where this one opened at. So we'll put that 0620 for the resistance support at 0477. And again, if you guys break that 0477 line, there is a good chance that it will go down to that 0320 to fill the gap with DOLV. Again, we're going to continue to follow this one closely. We called the bottom here before it bounced, which you guys have seen here in the previous videos while we were following this one down here. Look at that, how many times we've been watching this one since 0009 is when we started watching this one, when we first originally put it on watch, and look at the moves that it's made. You guys can find out more information on that with the previous videos we've done. But again, with this one, I personally believe that it's going to go down and fill that gap here if this volume continues to weaken. So DOLV, if this is your first time watching us, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And most importantly, get out there and share this video with all other investors on different social networks and different stock message boards and stock forums. The more you share it, the more it's requested, the more we cover it. And if you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us as well, let us know about it over on investorshangout.com/live.